So hello guys, today we will learn about what is let var const. So let var const are used in JavaScript. So they are used for declaring a variable. So suppose in C++ if we are declaring a variable, we give something like this is int number and we put it equals to 5 and then semicolon. So just like C++, in JavaScript, we are using let, var, and const, and and all those have different uh, use cases. So let's first learn about what is let, what is var, and what is const. So if we are considering let, var, and const, okay. So if we considering the var here, so var is function scope. So what does it means? What is function scope? So function scope means suppose if I am creating a function, suppose if I create function main and I call it, and inside it there are two blocks, one is this and another one is this. And if I am declaring some variable, let var name is equals to something called JS. And if I print it inside this, and if I am printing it inside this log name. Let's see what we get as an output. So node. So you have to install Node.js for running the JavaScript node. So you will see this. There are JS and JS coming in both the blocks. So function scope means if we declaring a variable inside one block, we can access it inside another block also. So this means function scope. Now, if we considering the let and const, they are block scope. Okay, block scope. So block scope means if I am written here let, and now if I run this command, you will see I got an error that name is not defined here. So it is given in the line 10 that on line 10, I got an error that this variable is not declared inside this block. So this is block scope means we can access the variable inside one block, but we can't access that variable inside another block. Okay, and same as for const also. So if I'm using const here, you will see again I got an error that the name is not defined in this block. So what is the difference between let and const? So if I am using let here, I can declare here and initialize also. So this variable is declared, and after that I can initialize it with the JS value. Now if I want to reinitialize it, I can easily reinitialize it again. So suppose if I write here TS and just comment it down, we'll see I got TS here. Okay, and let's see log here, and if I put name, you will see I got JS, and on this line number 9 I changed the name to be a TS, and I got TS on line number 10, right? So this is initialization plus declaration, and here I can reinitialize this variable. So reinitialization is possible using the let keyword, but if I am using the const here, I can't reinitialize it. Okay, I can't reinitialize it. You will see this, I got an error that name is supposed to 2s, assignment to constant variable, which is not possible. Okay, so if I am using the const, this is then that variable change is not possible. So if I am using const here and there is some variable, and if I wants to reinitialize with some another value, this is not possible. So this is about the let var and const. And we can learn about let var cost in another video. So thank you guys.